Good evening, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful evening out here on the new property, and I was just going to take you into the propagation area to show you what's going on. And I'm excited about this because I'm going to give you a bit of a tour, and then I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video for you. So this is very industrial. I've been working hard in here. By working hard, I mean working hard like to get things done. It's not really pretty yet, but Sarracenia seedlings are coming along really nicely. Lots of stuff going on, lots of transplanting. I've already had to expand once here. I added another table, but I'm going to actually remove this table because it only holds 4 trays, and I'm going to put another 8-foot section in all the way down to the end there for the Sarracenia. And then this one is now empty. That was a Highland stuff. There's just a few things left in there. Here is some propagation stuff going on in here. Some Hoya cuttings, some Nepenthe cuttings, some pinguiculas and stuff like that. All coming along nicely. And we're going to skip that guy for a second. We'll go into, this is the Hoyas here. Hoyas and some vanilla orchids. So everything's looking good here. These are my personal plants. Stuff that is, just for me, and it blooms, and I don't know if there's anything really blooming at the moment, but there was about a month ago. Some nice vanilla orchids up there. And yeah, so things are coming along nicely in here. And like I say, excuse the mess everywhere, because really it's not pretty. It's just sort of industrial, but it's really working. So here is the place that we are going to be talking about today. This is the Lowland Nepenthes house right now, and some worm-growing orchids. That way the greenhouse outside can be strictly a Highland greenhouse. So the lowland plants like bicalcuratas and stuff like that are all inside right now. Trouble is, we are missing a light in this one, and that's where this unboxing video comes in. I'm really excited about this. I don't know which way is up on it or which way is down. The symbols here are upside down, so maybe I have the box upside down, but the fragile sticker's up here. So the good people at Mars Hydro were good enough to give me a brand new light. So hopefully in here, I'm hoping it's the light in here. It actually has nothing on the outside at all. But hopefully inside is the new Mars Hydro TSL 2000 is a quantum board light. So while I think about it, I'm going to tell you right now. I'll leave the link to it in the description and some other info regarding this light. Hopefully everything is not going to be too distracting in the background. Peppa Pig pool there is potentially a giant saucer for Sarracenia or other big things. And yeah, I'm going to put you in the tripod. It's set up here. And we will get you started. So hopefully I don't turn off the video while doing this, because sometimes that happens. There we go. Let's put you down and see what we can do here. I'm really excited about this light. So this light it's a nice big light. I'm on a really short mic cord, so hopefully we can get this done with what I have going on here. Like I say, I haven't opened this at all. All of a sudden I have a feeling that this is going to be like upside down. Just go really gently here. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it for you. I'm going to plug it in and I'll show you how it works. And then I'm going to install it, and then I'll show it to you in a second video up and running. But let's just unbox this guy together. Ooh, there it is. So packaging is super solid. Super solid. Again, it could be upside down. It literally has wood in the packaging here. The wood is glued to the box, so it keeps it nice and secure. I'm happy with the way it looks upside down anyways, if I did open it the wrong way, because we can see the actual light itself in the package. So let's have a look here. See if I can adjust the tripod a little bit, just to give you a bit better view of what I'm seeing here. Shake, shake, shake. So being it is the TSL, that the L I'm assuming means long, right? Which is great for these grow tents because they're 6 feet wide and 8 feet long. Now, most of the plants in there are, we're going to say medium light plants. So the specs for this guy say it's good for like half of that size, but for what I'm growing, I think it'll be just fine for all of it. Let's get you looking down on it here. See if we can get this out. The packaging is so solid, I can't even bend the box any further back. Okay, so take the styrofoam or the foam off the back. It looks like I'm gonna have to put the ballasts on, like screw them on myself. That's fine, they're in there. Let's throw everything off the table other than the light. And we have some hanging kits in the box as well. And we have 2 decent ballasts there, decent size ballasts, and the cord. So I'll get rid of that box because it was big. And now this light, it looks so awesome. Oh my gosh. Nice Mars Hydro embroidering on there. And here's where we're going to. Okay, it's a very quick install. I'm usually a big fan of instructions, but I can see how this is gonna go here. Another nice thing about this, oops, there goes the wood from it. These are dimmable, so I believe we would just take this off. Might be easier said than done to get the rubber plug out. Take this off, and then there should be a screw under there, and you would go in with a screwdriver, a little thin screwdriver, and tweak it. I'm 99% sure it's set at 100%, so then we could go down all the way to 25% if we wanted to. Which, you know what, this thing could be so powerful, I could be really downsizing dimming it down. Okay, so like I say, I can see a super easy install here for this. Nothing to worry about. We have a couple pins here, or not pins, but threaded ends sort of thing. They're nice because they're plastic grip, so you don't need any kind of tools for it at all. I'm really doing this, the last one, just off camera here. And so I had no idea I was going to have to install this, but looks like they are teed together. You're really zoomed in. So both ballasts tee into that, and then that plugs in, so that's nice. And then they were going to plug in on each board themselves. So you'll install them and then plug them in on the sides. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm installing the first ballast over here. I'm going to zoom you back out because I'm just going to be threading, making sure that this thing is going to be heading over towards that. That is super easy. And then this one here, maybe heading over that way. Just lining up the screws. They fit nicely. Oops, kick the tripod. So I thought this was going to be an unboxing, but I guess it's going to be an unboxing and setup video. And again, so this is the Mars Hydro TSL 2000 light. Don't let the 2000 fool you. It is actually, I think, about 300 watts. It states online. And so it's going to be a sunlight spectrum, they call it, with infrared. Okay, and you can install this plug into there. Fits nice and snug. It's definitely got a little bit more weight to it now with those ballasts on there. And then you can see right there, the ballast plugs in here. I'm not unscrewing anything or untwist tying the cords. It's just the perfect length right now as it is. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side over here as well. There we go. So it is all ready to be plugged in. There's no on-off switch with these guys. It is just, so I went a little bit zoomed out too far. It is just a plug and play. So the extension cord, or the plug-in, is just underneath the air plants down there behind us. So I'm going to plug this in real quick, and we're going to give it a quick look. I'm going to go blind, and but we'll see what we can see here, make sure it works. And then on the next video, I will show it to you set up. The hanging kits are going to be pretty basic. If you're familiar with lights, these are adjustable, so you can hang it and adjust the height. Then you have the actual hanging kit here, which just clips on to the 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, we go from there. But I'm gonna go down and plug this in now. Hold on one sec. Okay, I was just gone a second. I actually just grabbed the power bar and plugged this guy into the power bar, and so we can turn it on together. This is just going to look like blinding light, hopefully. Whew. It is definitely bright and awesome. Wow. Amazing. So what you're seeing on camera is nothing like what it is. It's just like the roof is glowing in here because it's angled upwards. So that is amazing. Turn it back off. We know it works. What a spectacular looking light. I'm really excited to get this guy hung up and try it out. And what I'll do in a video coming up very soon is I'll show it to you working, and I'll let you know how it is working. It is going to be going in, like I said, right there. So anyways, that puts this video well over the 10-minute mark, which is about, I don't know, 4 minutes longer than I wanted to do, but is what it is. So I hope you like this video. Thanks again, Mars Hydro, for this awesome TSL 2000. Again, links with all the info and to their website and everything is in the description below. And yeah, looking forward to hanging this guy up, which is going to be my next chore. Okay, bye for now, guys. Okay, I just want to show you, it's been like, I don't know, 5 minutes since the video ended, and of course I went ahead after the video and installed this guy. So it installed really nicely. I hung it quite high up to the roof here. We have about 6 inches of space. There's a fan blowing down at that end, but smoking nice light, holy cow. So like I say, I'll do an update video on this in a week or two and show you how everything is doing. But this thing has got such an amazing spread for this. So this is a 6x8 room or greenhouse, and it's just lit up amazing. So thanks again, Mars Hydro. This is probably, definitely, at this point, the best light that I have ever had a chance to play around with. So cool. We will update soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.